Isa sa makabignaton duog sa Boracay kung sa diin tuman katahom na bahin sining paraisong amo ang Puka Beach. Nga kadaman sang mga bisita sa Boracay, nagatingwa gid nga mabisitahan ining Puka Beach. Diin bala ining Puka Beach kaga at tuman katahom ini nga beach resort. Ini ang maging focus ng aton nga topiko sa aton nga around the region.
Puka Beach is 800 meters long and fronted by a cliff with a forest alongside it. The sand is coarser than that of the white beach due to the small bits of coral mixed with it. In the past, the beach also used to be lined up with puka shells, which is where it got its name from. Puka may not have the same fine white sand of Station 1, but it more than makes up for it with fewer developments around, a beautiful beachscape, fewer crowds, and idyllic atmosphere. Located in the northern part of Boracay, Puka Beach has a tranquil seaside atmosphere and you will see very few visitors. Puka Beach, also called Yapak Beach, is a relatively quieter area compared to the popular Station 1 to 3 along Boracay's most famous beach. Puka Beach is my favorite beach in Boracay due to its raw beauty. It is not yet for commercialized, therefore the coast is not yet heavily visited. Puka Beach is indeed a quiet retreat with a dense tropical forest bordering its white sand and pristine water.